What is up, you guys? Today it is sunny Saturday, okay? So a lot of you guys don't know, but my grandma finally made it down this weekend, as well as with my auntie. So this weekend is actually my aunt's birthday weekend. So what else are we gonna say? Hey, Tony, say hey. Shay, say. Say what's up. Yes, so I got all the kids in the car with me. I got my husband, my little ride or die, my Mr. Clyde, and I'm Bonnie, I guess. Yeah, something like that. So you guys get the gist. So, oh God, that car like he was coming over, right? Right? He like scared me. Okay, so today we're actually, you guys, we're winging it, okay? I don't know what I'm doing, but you guys know I had to bring you guys along with me. So go ahead and stay tuned. And also don't forget, you guys, if you guys are new subscribers and you guys happen to stumble across our page, please feel free to like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and feel free to leave some comments down below, any videos that you guys might want to see us do. I have plenty of vlogs and lit videos, so don't forget to go check those videos out as well and go show some love on those videos. But other than that, you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started into this video, and we shall see you guys all later. So it's like you throwing up a crip sign.
And then this is the other one.
This was the first
That's Tonio's rendition.
And then,
all right, your turn. All right, you do it.
This was the first one.
she acted like she sleeps.
She like, child, pay no attention.
And then it's like this.
Okay.
This is the first one.
She's trying to act like she's sleeping.
Alright, you guys, so we're in Savannah right now. Same old, you know, taking these old heads to go see some historic views. So as you guys see behind me, I got my grandmother behind me. I got my mom. Shawty done dropped her phone for the day. She couldn't get beat the hell up. No, I'm just kidding.
You want to take pictures inside Starbucks?
She's trying to go to Starbucks.
Oh, yeah, guys. Okay, this is just Shayla's vlogs, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're walking down River Street, right? Yeah. River Street to spend some time with the fam, with my grandma and my aunt. So yeah, I think I don't know, but we're gonna probably be vlogging the whole time, just probably walking. But yeah, Riri, say hi. But yeah, we're gonna go into Starbucks.
Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie, I don't even know where my mom's going. I'm just following her.
Over the height is the elevator. That's how you always go.
But she walking like she know where she going, babe.
No.
She was supposed to go, look, just come this way, Mom. Mom, this way, you're going by yourself. Hey, she going by herself. Where's she going, babe? Dave, where's she going?
She don't know. She just made them double walk. Now they gotta go back up the road.
Now look how cute. I loves her. She love her mama. Yeah, I know. I told Michael, babe, didn't I tell you Mama want to go eat at the Paula Deen restaurant? She said.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, I told you.
Well, actually, I told you.
Yeah, but we both told each other. Lies. Look how cute, y'all.
Babe.
Sorry, sir. Oops.
Sorry about that.
Oops, sorry.
I saved
Yo, I was about to run over.
That elderly couple.
Run over the elderly couple because see what I'm trying to do for the vlog. I'm trying to get y'all footage, and I almost ran those elderly people over. Damn, I was about to run. Oh my God.
Wait, where are we?
Tony, come here. Y'all look at my handsome baby boy. He just got his hair cut today. Looking all cute for the girls.
Dad.
I don't know if you guys can see, he's got like a mohawk thing going on. See that?
This way?
The elevator's broken. But we can roll you guys down the pebbles.
Elevator out of order.
Out of order.
Okay, I'm gonna get back in the gas.
You got to walk back up, baby. You can do it. Come on.
I'll bring the.
Put some pep in your step, girl. You work. You work.
I say don't fall now. She be the one. Boop.
As we made it last time, we actually were not able to make it downtown because my grandma had knee surgery and my auntie had knee surgery. So last time we were only able to make it to, what is it, Ellis Square?
Yeah.
We were only able to make it to Ellis Square because it was flat ground. But we finally made it to River Street this time. I'm so proud of my grandma and auntie. Y'all did so good. I'm so proud of you guys.
Just water, that's a river.
I'll be back. All right. I guess you say what can make me feel this way. My girl, my girl, my girl.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah. Hey, hey, hey.
Why auntie over there twerking to give her the money? Man, auntie over there twerking while she getting the money. Alright, you gotta part like you're about to buy the whole store out. We don't need that, Pookie. No. You good, Tony?
I might get one.
You getting your s'mores?
I might want.
Huh? You getting your s'mores?
Yeah,
What are you getting?
Let me come back.
Marshmallow? Oh, okay.
I might want.
Okay. Ari's got her a big old lollipop. It's bigger than your... Hey, it's bigger than your head. It's bigger than your head. Say what's up to the vlog, Mom. You guys, her mama's so silly. I can't with her sometimes. But tell me she's not cute. And you guys, look, she's actually wearing the purse that I got her for her B-Day. Ma, you like your purse?
I don't know. It had a security.
That was not my fault. That was the store's fault.
I don't think I've been in it. It's down right down there.
So we're just waiting for my auntie Callan to walk her sexy behind from across the road. Sexy? Oh Lord, you guys. I can't. You know what? She's like her. What'd you get, auntie? Where? Oh, look at you, little baby Sprite.
Alright, I'll knock that over, okay?
Mom, I want to be a singer. Put me a bucket out here.
We don't know.
I'd do something. I could.
They don't. Cardi B.
They don't know. I brings the house down. Oh, it's so fucking hot. I'm sweating like a hoe in church out here. Yes, sir. I sweating. So we're on our way to. Oh shit! This freaking pigeon. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Last thing I need for him to do is to shit on my head.
What if I like grab it?
Don't grab it.
Wouldn't that be
Leave him
good
alone.
clout for
Shit,
the
I'm
vlog?
scared to walk. Yes, it is thinking about me. Oh my God, send me that. Yo, my sister is like a damn photographer. Oh my God, Ma, show them. No, my sister,
I'm the
only person she know my angles.
Yes.
So right now we're headed over to Wet Willie's because as I told you guys earlier, it is hot as balls out here. So I need to get me a nice cool drink to cool down because I am freaking hot. Ooh, that air felt good. This is where it's at right here. No, you can get one that's sugar-free and one that's not. I think I'm gonna go with mango. I don't think I'm doing a call a cab. Because I might really have to call me a cab later. Come on, Mom, come this way. Huh?
Right over there.
Where you going?
Go ahead. What you about to throw that football haircut going on?
Yeah, no, don't it look good?
Duh.
I'm gonna start calling them lightning bolt. You guys, look how good that looks. Woo. That looks good. That shit looks delicious. But right here, you guys, I got jalapeno bacon,
jalapeno bacon
shrimp. Oh, I'm about to go in.
We're about to gain 23 pounds.
Baby 50.
Yes.
Oh, what the heck? Oh, sorry. Oh, no, I'm on the vlog.
Okay.
Alright, so about to get her face painted. Tonio didn't want to get his face painted.
I might just get.
Reese, show them what you're gonna get done, Reese. Let me see. Show them.
I'm a 9-year-old boy. Do you want me
That's
to?
what Ari's gonna get. Tony, you sure you don't want me to put a lightning bolt on your forehead? What? Yeah, boys get face painted.
Not a 9-year-old boy.
Okay, true
Tony,
that.
you are not a man yet. Chill out.
You a little man.
Right.
Ree, you ready? Big girl. silly. Get your butt up. Only your mom.
Mom for sale, guys.
Yeah,
Mom
for sale.
Matter of fact, for free.
On the square.
$10 bucks good.
Go ahead, get on that bike. Auntie, don't worry about it. You just get on the bike.
No, no, y'all get up there. Y'all get up there. That's good.
Thank you.
We'll just meet y'all over there. Just take them, I guess, to the middle of the square somewhere over there.
See you later, guys. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Hey, Auntie waving like bye, peasants.
Yeah, right.
She said, shit, yeah. She said, that's a bike? We taking it.
They enjoying that.
Yeah.
I like that.
That's
I like
the reason.
I like that they work on tips too, though. Hear me?
I like
That's the only reason why I was like, let's go down. Well, I ain't gonna lie,
Say
my
your
right arm.
crazy ass, you better get your ass back down on that ground and you better be hurt. Your ass, your back, every fucking thing hurt. Cause I'm tired of working.
Shit, I would love it too.
That bitch hit me. Ah! Don't touch me. Ah!
Right there.
Yeah.
Fucking heaven. Mabel.
Oh, the ice cream place? I never had that ice cream.
No. Cupcakes.
Oh, cupcakes.
Mabel. They're the shit.
So with Shakes.
How's your bike ride?
I told you.
You liked it?
That's what we like about out here.
Yeah, I can tell.
Gave us a tour guide of the city and tell us about the building.
You only went a block away. Hey, do some shit. I felt like my arm was about to fall.
I like that one. It's a perfect backpack for everything that we have.
What's on? You gotta take a
Carrying
pic?
that designer shit.
Yeah, now you know I'm like elevated.
So I don't be wanting nobody, you know what I'm saying? Give us no problem about it. Shots fired.
Y'all, we had busy weekend this weekend.
Leftover. So right now I was like, let's go to the parking garage and I need to put, babe, can you give me my phones out there with my wallet? Can you hold this? Don't hold it tight because the shit pops right there. I told our people that I'm so pissed because that attachment's made.
Can't see you, so.
You guys, not in the mood right now. I'm a little bit frustrated. So hopefully Best Buy tells me something I want to hear. Come on, babe.
Gone with the Wind Fabrics. Oh, sexy ass. Just don't realize how sexy she looks. Whether she mad, happy, sad. Oh shit, she done had some crabs today. There he is though. Hey.
Let's just stand right here, babe.
Where you going? Where you going, girl? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, girl?
I'm about to walk the strip.
What they
Oh, it's
doing?
been a long ass day, man. Tell them.
What they doing over there?
Try some wine. Michael picked out 3 wines. I picked out 3. Which ones did you pick? Oh, you switching it now?
I'm about to get this one here.
Okay.
Chardonnay blended with
Ready to try some wine?
A little bit.
And you never try wine.
Try today.
You guys, he never tries wine, but he's about to try it today. He's about to try it today. Let's try it.
Alright, here is the Georgia Peach.
Georgia Peach.
And then here is the Farmhouse.
Thank you.
This the one you picked first?
I got Farmhouse. No, I picked that one.
Oh, which one is that? Oh, okay, okay.
Ooh, Farmhouse is good.
Spell that one.
That smells good.
Hi, how are ya?
Yeah, I'm digging the Farmhouse. Yeah, try the Farmhouse.
Okay, just need to see both I hate.
Georgia Peach tastes like I tasted it before. Farmhouse is pretty good. Which one are we gonna go with? We're gonna go with Old Blue. No, Old Blue.